Hi guys, it's Kristen with APOKREATIONS, and I am doing a collab with Laura and some of her affiliates, Laura's Art Corner. And I pre-painted my charcuterie board with the colors that I'm going to be using. So this is a pigment powder. It's Lily of the Valley. Then I've got some Gold Fusion crushed glass, some green druzy, some lucky green fine glass glitter, and she also sent me some Eder Art white pigment drops. So I'm just going to be kind of interspersing them onto this section, and I'll probably go over a little bit. I did tape off the back in case I get some drips. I don't know why I did the whole thing, but you know. And I'm currently on the front porch of my she shed because the inside's not done yet and it echoes too much. So I am going to mix up some resin and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the Lily of the Valley. This one is Lucky Green Fine Glass Glitter. Sorry, that was my Great Dane. Protecting the yard from something that he heard down the street. This one is the green druzy. Let's see if I can move this down a little bit, because I want to show this portion. Making a mess. There. All right, now this one is the gold glass fusion, I think. Yep. Oop. Get some of this. I think I got a piece of glitter in my white. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. So it's getting thick. So when I poured the last thing of clear on this, it wasn't level, so it kind of ran below that. So what I am going to do is put the last bit of clear on here, but I'm also going in this little cup to mix up just a little bit of the Lily of the Valley and run it right along there, because you really can't see a whole lot of it anymore because the white kind of took it over. And, you know, this is to me anyway, the Lily of the Valley is supposed to be the focal color. So I am just going to mix this resin up and I'll be right back. All right, so honestly, I think at this point, I'm just going to put it on with my finger. So I don't waste it. I'm sorry if my head gets in the way. Okay, should have put sticky tape or something on the side of that.
Sunlight dancing through the window pane, golden hours calling out my name. Scissors, thread, and jars of paint. Every little project feels the same. A little sweat, a little sparkle, a little magic in my hands. Even when the day's on fire, I'm building dreams instead of plans. The fan keeps humming slow and sweet. Summer's got me melting in my seat, but every stitch and every line turns this blazing day into something bright. We're crafting in the summer heat, barefoot rhythm, steady beat, glue and glitter, color shine, making memories one design at a time. When the sun burns high above, we answer back with heart and love. From morning light to evening's glow, we'll make something beautiful before we go. Seashells, ribbons, woven strings, simple little homemade things. Paintbrush tap into the tune of lazy afternoons in June. Laughter echoes lemonade, every masterpiece is handmade. The hottest days can still inspire a world of color we create. Let the sun shine, warm the room, flowers bloom and fabrics bloom. Every mark and every seam brings another piece of the dream. We're crafting in the summer heat, hands alive with every beat. Every cut and every fold turns the ordinary into gold. Though the days as warm as flame, we'll keep creating just the same. With every project, heart and smile, summer lasts a little while.
All right, so this is what it basically turned out to look like, and I got some glamour shots coming up, but do me a favor, check out the playlist in the description below. Check out all of the wonderful videos that have been put onto the playlist, and do me a favor, like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and stay tuned for the glamour shots. All right, have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.